Lions Club International (LCI) is an international non-political service organization established with the aim of stretching the hands to help the poor, marginalized, and severe victimized people around the world. It's indeed amazing to know that it has 46,000 local clubs and more than 1.4 million members in more than 200 countries across the globe. The sole purpose of Lions are to organize, to coordinate, to create, to promote, to take, to unite, to provide, and to encourage the people who are under deprivation of food, clothes, and shelter. The main slogan of the Lions Club is Save the Humanity for a Better World. We, the Lions, representing elsewhere from Nepal, more especially from our district, have done the incredible jobs on behalf of the grief-stricken people, keeping the latest pandemic situation into our consideration. Our district governor, Mr. Sambhu Nakarmi, under his warm supervision, has assisted the numberless people by providing relief funds, foodstuff, PPE for frontline doctors and nurses, conducting sanitation program, youth awareness program, and many more. Furthermore, since the starting, our Leo members were 2,485 in Hetauda, but it is going to be expanding more than 4,000 here. Zero membership drop is our burning policy. It means Lions aims at enhancing the helping hands, realizing the people, I am a lion. I am committed to helping the people. Similarly, we Leo from Makwanpur has launched the program like Back to Home. It means Lions to provide positive vibes, motivation and encouragement to aware and convince the people to come back home in Lions Club and spend the quality time to eradicate the tensions of the people in joint venture. Lions believe unity is strength and dedication towards society and nation is true asset. We provide the awards to the Lion members who sacrifice the life of others. We have already proved our worth by conducting eye donation program, zero waste program, nation poetry competition, fundraising program, cooperative partnership program, women empowerment program, drug awareness program, and more importantly, helping the poor people in COVID-19 pandemic situation by letting not them to stay hungry and providing adequate supplies what they really need for. Leo members are taking a huge space today in our district. As I depicted before, members started from 2,485 in our one place. We have made a target to reach up to 3,150 today, and we Leo are determined to grow up ahead. In the field of catastrophic situations like flood, earthquake, starvation, and spreading contagious diseases, we, the team, are putting hand in hand. Our motto is not only to stay in urban areas, rather, we are happy to go in rural areas and addressing the panic-stricken people like diabetic patients, widow women, peasant laborers, handicapped people, indigenous people, so on. Action speaks louder than words. Therefore, Leo members come up with the action rather than wait-and-see theme. We have created Alpha Leo clubs with age range from 12 to 18 years. All the aged volunteers are optimum dedicated and helpful. This group mainly focuses on the individual and social development of teens and preteens. Moreover, we have created Omega Leo clubs, which are tailored for young adults between 18 and 30 years of age. Our squad says, where there is need, there is a Leo. In our district, at the youngest member of the Lions Club, Leo embody the best qualities of our incredible organization. They are devoted young people who realize the power of action. Here, in sound collaboration, together, Leos and Lions form a powerful partnership, one of the mutual respect, where Lions learn from the innovative insight of Leos and where Leos gain access to the proven strategies to those who have successfully solved the world for decades. This is exactly what we Leo members in our district are doing. Accompanied by this, Leo, after the growth of membership, already conducted peace poster contest, Lions scholarship, Contract operation, awareness of the pediatric cancer, skill developing program, health awareness, blood donation program, library establishment, water distribution and sanitation program, afforestation program, clothes bank program, hunger relief program, etc. We have already succeeded in distributing the works with the helping hand of respective members. Currently, Our organization starts from district governor. We have almost crossed 3,000 members, which is amazing accomplishment. In our one district, it is witnessed that we Lions have shown our immense devotion and altruism in providing or promoting the living status of the people. Each campaigns, whether it's eye donation or mega health camps, it has one PDG, and they are supporting to each members unconditionally. We believe on teamwork, and still we are trying to reform the obstacles which may come during work tenure. Lions members in Hetauda or our district still to believe that betterment of the community is bigger than the personal benefit. Enlarging the group or membership plan is our top priority, and we will do what we are committed to. By going each nook and corner in our one district, we, the team, are still there to support the minorities groups and grief-stricken persons so far. The sole motto of being Lionism is to foster peace and prosperity elsewhere in the world. By providing the helping hands to the needy people, we do the work with prompt action. The clear-cut example has already begun from our one district. We, the entire Leo group, would like to give immense thanks to those helping hands who supported us without exhaustion and profit expectation in return. We are proud to be in the line of Lions Club, and yet we are committed to showing works for better community, society, nation, and whole world. This is only an inception. Thank you.